How to solve a 3x3 part 4. In this part, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the top layer. You can learn the rest of the cube from the description links. Now to solve the top layer, the first thing you need to do is to make a yellow cross here with one algorithm. That is the simple RU R prime U prime, but with a twist. You do F before starting the algorithm, and once you're done, you do F prime. Now this algorithm cycles you between the steps and the cross, and we only look at the edges while doing it. That means the corners are ignored whether they are solved or not. We do them in the later steps. Now this is the first case in which you only have a dot on the top. This is the second case in which you have a sort of an L shape. This is the third case when you have a line, and then there is the cross itself. Now you may be on any of these steps, and if you are not on any of these steps and your cube shows a different step, something like a dot and one edge, or maybe three edges and a dot, or something like that, then you need to take out the edge, flip it and put it back in. Otherwise your cube is unsolvable. Now let me guide you through how to do it. If you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, this is a pretty easy algorithm. Next, you have the L case, which you put in the back like this, and then do the same algorithm twice. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now here's a bit of a trick you can do. Now since the algorithm ends with an F prime and starts with an F, you can just completely ignore the second F and just go straight to an R, U, R prime, U prime, and then do a F prime at last. After that, you have the cross on top. The next step is going to be solving the edges. Now to do this, you can always match two edges or all of your edges are matched. If that is not the case, you probably did something wrong. Now, right now, we can match orange, but that does not match any other edge. So we move the top layer again, and we can now match red and green, while these two are unsolved. Keep the matching ones in the back right, and if you have a case where the opposite edges are matching, then you do this algorithm from any angle and you will have this case where two of them are matching. Now you keep the matching ones in the back right and do the simple algorithm, that is taking this pair out, pushing it forward and bringing it back in. So we take this pair out like this, push it forward and then bring it back. And once you align the edges again, you can see all of these are solved. Now, if it happens that even after doing the algorithm, only two stay solved and these are not solved, you can try doing it again and that will solve the edges. Now, once that's done, we can focus on the corners now. Solving the corners is pretty easy. We just put them into the right spot. Like this needs to go here, this one goes here, these two swap and these two swap. If none of these are in the correct spot right now, we're not talking about the yellow color on top like with the edges. We're talking about if they're in the right place. Like red, green and yellow belongs between red, green and yellow, no matter if it's twisted or not. Since none of my corners are in the right spot, we just do this algorithm from any way. We put this pair up, push it towards the back, take this pair out, push it also towards the back. Now this brings this edge back, put it down, bring this edge back and put it down. Align the edges again, and that will result one of the corners solved. This is the second stage, and we put the corner in the front left. Then we do this same thing again. Pair up, pair back, pair up, pair front, pair down, pair back, pair down, align the edges, and that will result in more of the corners solved. If all the corners are not solved after this algorithm, we do the algorithm again. And now all of our corners are in the correct place. Now you may have 4, 3 or 2 corners that need to be flipped for the cube to be solved. In this case, I only have 2 of them and I'll show you how to solve these. You flip the cube over, that means facing the white as the top, and then bring the unsolved corner in this spot, that is the bottom right. Then you do R, U, R prime, U prime, the basic algorithm, until the corner faces the right way. And do not forget to do the U move at last. Now once it's in the correct spot, move the bottom layer. Do not rotate your cube, but move the bottom layer and bring another unsolved corner into this spot and do the same algorithm again until it just solves. Once that's done, your cube will be magically solved. Now, after doing all the steps, if you think your cube is unsolvable, you can comment down below and I will try my best to help you out. The only problems you could face are because if your cube popped or you took it apart and put it together the wrong way. Now that was it for the series, and now you can solve a Rubik's Cube. Good luck on your cubing journey and comment down which tutorial should I post next. Thanks for watching. All of the support I got throughout this series is greatly appreciated. Peace out.